Summer Scent of the Day, Andres Aventus 2017. Yan ang review natin for tonight's video. Okay, so si Andres Aventus 2017, nabili natin siya around a month ago and the price is 500 pesos. So natatanong kayo bakit natin ngayon lang siya review? It's because when we buy perfumes, lalo na sa mga ME at sa local perfumes natin, pinapahinga mo natin siya for a couple of weeks to see if there's going to be any improvement and to see if ever yun nga talaga yung kanyang magiging performance ng perfume na yun. Kasi sometimes yung mga perfume na binibili natin from our local manufacturers and ME, they are mostly or sometimes batch produced. So maramihan kasi syempre in demand sila ngayon. And sometimes hindi sila nakakapag-mature that well. So sometimes I do let my perfumes rest so that it will mature properly and so that we can see kung gaano talaga kaganda yung kanyang performance. Okay? So, yun na nga. In terms of the presentation, wala naman akong masasabi for 500 pesos. Ang ganda ng kanyang bote. Ganito yung mga gusto kong mga bote. Very simple, very elegant, and very presentable. Sorry. Okay. So, in terms of the atomizer, ganda rin ang atomizer niya. Okay. Pagka binuga, kita mo, pressurized siya. Okay. So, depends on how much perfume you like. So, pag pinless mo siya na mas madiin, ang daming lalabas na perfume. Tapos pag medyo mahina, konti lang. So, ganda. Nice touch right there, Sir Andres. Now, in terms of the opening neto ni Andres 2017, ang litaw na litaw dito yung kanyang cedarwood, oak moss, bergamot, and as well as yung lemon and pineapple. Yan, medyo fruity, tapos yung pagka-woodsy, ang ganda ng pagkakasabay nila. Tapos, all throughout, until such a time na nag-glide down na siya, ganun pa rin yung amoy niya. Okay, consistent. Pala mo yung parang nakaamoy ka ng CEO na may-ari ng business. Siyempre, may-ari ng business ang CEO. So, yun, yung mayaman na CEO. Yan. So, pag naman ka, alam mo yun, ganun yung amoy ng maamoy mo from this scent. Okay? So, ang ganda ng combination. So, that's opening niya until dry down, ganun na ganun yung amoy niya. Citrusy, tapos yung pagka-woodsy, ganun. Ganda ng combination. So, in terms of performance naman, projection-wise, siguro mga 3 feet, maamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. 3 to 4 feet actually. Maamoy ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. The silage, ganun din. May iwan ka scent trail. At saka, may scent bubble ka. Nung in-apply ko siya sa hands ko and then sa arms ko and sa shirt, pagka lalakad ako, naamoy ko yung kanyang scent. Now, in terms of the performance naman, I'd say around 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours actually, pro-project pa rin siya. Ganda pa rin yung kanyang projection. And then, pagdating ng 4 hours, yan, medyo nagiging-skin scent na siya. Up until 6 hour, yan, ganun pa rin siya. Now, in terms of sa shirt naman, ganun, mas matagal siya. 6 hours, yan, nagpro-project pa rin siya. And then, medyo naghihina na siya in the 6th hour onwards. So, in the office, I had to reapply ng mga 6th hour na para naamoy pa rin ako ng mga tao sa paligid ko. Pero, personally, naamoy ko pa rin siya. Now, how would I rate this perfume? Alright, in terms of the price versus the performance and as well as the scent profile. I'd probably say 8.5 out of 10. Okay, gustong-gusto ko tong si Andres version nila ng Aventus 2017. It's like a very good combination of the citrus and yung pagka-woodsy niya. So, wala akong masabi. Talagang good job si Sir Andres dito sa perfume na to. Actually, one thing that will definitely prove na maganda itong performance ng ating Aventus 2017 ni Andres is when he sells his perfumes after a few minutes lang of being online dun sa kanilang shop, ubos ka agad. So, alam nyo na. Alright, so, yan na muna ang ating perfume for today, ang ating review. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you again soon. Bye!